In this video, I will show you how you can design progress bar. So it can be something like this, or if you want to make something like this, then we can do it. So first of all, let me show you the mobile one, how we can do it. So if you check here these 6 progress bar design this page, then you will get to see all of this starting file in here, and you need to start from here. Okay, so the first thing I need to do, let's say of these one, so I'm simply going to select both of them, and I just simply need to click on here and create the component set, and then as you can see we get a component set in here, and by this I will click and change the component name of here. Okay, so now I need to click on here this prototype and just simply click on this and just simply link it to the next one. And what I need to do, I need to change it to click to after delay, and it's going to be, let's say, 100 milliseconds. And then I need to change here this smart animation, and also I need to make it slow, and then I need to choose here, let's say, 5000 millisecond. That's it. And now what I need to do, I need to come back in this page, and let's click on here this component and simply drag and drop the component, Ctrl X, and come here this page, click on design, and simply remove here this like existing one and add a new one, Ctrl V, and now just place it, and let's click on here these 2 and click on here this preview or present. As you can see, it's now really working fine, right? It works fine. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, and next one is going to be same as it is, but we can do it in 2 ways. Let's say if you like to do it in the same way, then it's have a 2 of them. So right now what I show you, you can follow the existing way and you can make them as it is, same as it is, but make sure that you change the name before doing the component. Let's say it's make it 3 or 4, whatever you want, to make them 2 different name, then make the component set, then do the same prototype. I think it's going to be work same as it is, right? And also it's another way, that is like if you like to do in this way, it's going to be in a different way. So let's simply, okay, first of all we need to change here the name. So right now it's the same name all over there, right? So we need to click on mouse right button, and we need to finding out here rename. If you cannot find out it, then you can press Ctrl R or Command R, then you will get to see like this type pop up that you can want to change it. So I like to put here, let's say 1, or let's say I like to go with the number, and I also like to keep here this current name. So let's select the current name, and let's simply click on here this rename button, then all of this layer name will be changed. Okay, so right now as you can see it's now changed. Okay, so now let's select all of them, and let's click on here this component set and click on here with this create component set, and as you can see we get a component set in here. What do you do? We need to now do a simple prototype. So let's click on this prototype, and now let's say simply drag and drop here, and now we need to go make it after delay, and I'm just going to make it, let's say, only 1 ms, and it's going to be, let's say, smart animation, not going to be any bit slow, it's going to be, let's say, linear. And let's again we need to do the same of these, like all of these you need to make them after delay and 1 millisecond. So let me do all of them. So as you can see, I almost link all of them, and also left one, so just simply just link it to the next one, and let's change it to, let's say, after delay, and make it 1 millisecond. Okay, that's it. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to check it out. So what I can do, I can make a new frame. So let me take a new frame in here. Let's dexify it, and let's change it the color. So and just change the color, and I need to click on here this component. So let's say this component, and I need to search here, let's say 2. I only search 2, and as you can see I get component 2. Simply drag and drop here, and let's click on here, and let's see the preview, and as you can see it really works fine. And for the first one, if you really like to change here this noise, if you like to make it speed up, then you can simply change here this slow to, let's say you can change here this animation from here, let's say 500 or 600 or 1000, 2000, whatever you want. You can change the number from here, and that it will be, you know, it will be faster a little bit. So I hope you understand how to make it. So if you have any questions, then you can join our Telegram group and you can ask here the question. Okay, thank you so much.